Yes, you do, but you will have an entire list on the website on the blog section and actually on the online learning center after you enrolled as well. And don't forget, you'll get a student card so you can get some discounts when you purchase the materials. All our students will get up to 3 years to complete the course, and this means that all our students can take their time and work at their own pace. It depends on how you learn best, but just note that all our students will get full student support throughout their course. The garden design courses is becoming a garden designer. You do need access to a garden, but don't worry, you won't be making any physical changes to it yet. So if you can, you might want to ask a family member or friend if you can use theirs.